What's up, guys? It's NES Man, and today we have a package to unbox. Okay, so I decided to open the box off camera just because it's a box and it's a pain to open. So, we pull the flaps up. Inside, we have the greatest thing in the world called paper. And more paper. This has something in it. I don't know what this is. It's a football card. I don't know why that's in there. And then we have more paper. But here's what we want. We pull the paper off. Seeming like forever. We have the device. Ooh, this looks really cool. Wow. This is an Ellenco. I think it's a 45S HSD 24 or something like that. Basically a rebrand of the Wheelock 7002T. And I already have a 7002T. If I grab it right here. But this one is 12 volts. So I can't run it on my main system. So that's why I've been needing this other 7002T, but I haven't been able to find one for a decent price, and I finally did. So anyway, I think that wraps up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.